has uh, come out with SOPs, which was very much required and need of the hour. And for the SOPs, we had a committee formed, known as 37B committee, which is normally headed by our managing director, Mr. Neto. Along with them is our GSIC president, Mr. Damodar Koshkar, GCCI, Mr. Manoj Kakulo is not here. In fact, also with us, we have WGM Law, Mandar Shirodkar. We have our GME, Vijay Kumar Onawat, and also advocate Mr. Amey Salatri. So with all this, we have formed these SOPs, which actually all the entrepreneurs, were looking forward to it. And with this now, there are two things. This SOP 1 is normally the procedures are to be followed is for the issuance of building, license, permit, technical clearances, development permissions, which normally will happen in 30 days time. Provided all the documentation is given thoroughly. And thereafter, we have SOP 2, which will take care of the occupancy certificate and or you call it completion order, which normally will take approximately about 30 to 40 days. So with all these procedures, in fact, a lot of entrepreneurs finding a lot of difficulties to get the files moving. But now I'm happy having dynamic JSA president, and we're having also Manoj Kakulo, the representative of GCCI, and my team of the corporation. Things will be much better, and the ranking of us, which was 19 and come down 24, with this SOPs in place, will go up to almost, will come up. So my request to all the entrepreneurs, if they have any difficulty herein after, which I think they should not, they are free to contact me, chairman, or my MD, and we'll take it forward from there. So with this, I'm very happy to announce, and in this 2021, it's a good year that this has taken place in our GIDC. Thank you.
What was the previous how was it?
The previous these SOPs were not there because we had online. We had gone online services which are online, which already about 13-12 points were there, which was there, and where the entrepreneurs have been getting themselves involved. But these were very, very important. The main issues is regarding occupancy, regarding permission, construction license, which a lot of people find difficulties for want of documentation, or some lack in the corporation. Now with this SOPs, within 30 days to 40 days, but with all the documentation in place, things will move very, very fast.
Yes,
and it will be a big relief.
Basically, what was happening, when
this documentation
on our official website,
on our official website, all will be online. So the entrepreneur will have no problems. And this is all done under our leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and also our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. So there are a lot more other things after this. SOPs are complete. We will be taking further some other major things like allotments, sublease, all that also will be streamlining as soon as possible. So our dream is to ensure that all the entrepreneurs and the corporation, we work hand in hand and things become better. So it will be better for the investors, because people all want to come from other states. They want to come into Goa, although we have scarce land, but still we are working on that. And once all these are in place, it's like a single window system, unit, single window, things will be much better. Finally, we have to give them all the support system, and which are working towards it. So that is my dream and dream of all of us here, under my chairmanship, to ensure that the things will go smooth as soon as possible.
Will it benefit you? The government also given relaxation for the taking the permissions of health department and for construction sites. They have issued a notice.
There is no relaxation in this. See,
they said like without taking their permission.
That you are talking about the small dwellings, one floor dwellings, which few days back. So this is only regarding the industrial thing.
So this is not applicable for you.
This is not. That is not applicable to us.
Okay.
That is only in the municipal area. If I am not mistaken,
see,
municipal area, single floor dwellings.
We are notified land, so everything come under one head.
And we have to go to factories and boilers. or the
chemical,
fire.
yeah.
We have to get a clearances of all departments.
Thank you.
Different departments like health, then factories and boilers, fire, and GIDC. Now, this SOP will address in such a way that only one place the application has to go. Anybody who wants to do a construction license, he will come to GIDC, he will submit the plans in 7 files, and these files GIDC will give it to the individual departments, and they will ensure that they will come back in that prescribed time. So we have given the timeline also, like for the health department has to respond within the 7 days, fire also has to respond. Now whatever fire department needs detail, so this all formats are put here. How the application has to go for the factories and boilers, how the application has to be made for the fire department. We collected all the formats and what procedure they have to go. That everything they have to put in their respective file and submit it to GIDC. So the entrepreneur did not go to all these 4 departments. So this is how the ease of doing business has been suggested by the central government, and we have tried to implement it in one SOP. So this will be uploaded on the GIDC site. Anybody, any new entrepreneur, suppose from outside he wants to come and start a business in Goa, he'll be able to see this online and do the application. He will also get all the application formats, how he has to do the applications. He will also know by which time he is supposed to expect the reply. If there is a, like chairman said, if there is any grievances against this, it can be addressed to GIDC directly if somebody is not following this SOP. So these are 2 SOP. One is for construction license, which we expect to one person gives within 30 days he should get. Second one is for the occupancy and the completion certificate. Now since the occupancy and completion certificates will need a inspection, joint inspection we have recommended. So the all departments, earlier what was happening, individually each department was going to the company and asking, I want to inspect now. Fire was coming and saying that I want this date. So this will be done, monitored by GIDC. Inspection date will be finalized by GIDC GM, and on that particular day all department members will be present in the industry, and only one time inspection will be done on that day, and we expect that within 30 to 40 days the occupancy we should get. So this will relieve lot of tension of entrepreneurs. We have been fighting about somebody is not getting license on time or occupancy on time. So this will sort of give some boost and confidence.
And this will be